A very good evening to all those who are present today. So I hope the student coordinators have informed your fellow mates. If not, kindly requesting you to ask them to join the session as quickly as possible so that we can start the session.
One more important announcement. We very soon we will be 1,000 participants in the Zoom, and the maximum capacity of Zoom is 1,000. So, in case if any of your friends or classmates or colleagues who are not able to join via Zoom link, we are also running live on YouTube. So anyone who is joining after the participant number has reached 1,000, they can join through the YouTube live link that has been posted. Amar, if you can please post the YouTube live link as well in the chat box.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. All the faculty members who have joined the session, I request all the faculty members or any member from the college management who have joined the session, I request you to please post this meeting link in your college group so that the students who are yet to join can take ultimate benefit of this session. This is the first day and it will be full of knowledge. So please, I request everyone to please post it in your respective group so that the student can join as soon as possible. Good evening, all. My name is Siraj. I'm the senior manager heading this institutional vertical. And from the backend team, we have Amar, who, along with Amar, we have Chandana, Sushmita, and Pravalika, who's the backbone of the institutional vertical, taking care of the entire TDM activities. Now, for today's session, that is cracking Accenture coding interviews, we have selected this topic because XLR, as a whole, we strive very hard to identify the best possible topics which can be delivered and which are of utmost importance in the students community, so that whatever topics we deliver, it has to be benefit or it has to be beneficial for the student as a whole community. So we have selected this topic for today, that is cracking interview codes when it comes to the Accenture hiring process. So this entire session of SDP will be taken care by our trainer, industry expert, who will be taking up the session in the second half of this session. And to host this entire event, we have our manager, Nitya. She will be taking the session forward. So, Nitya, the session is all yours. The stage is all yours. Please take it forward.
Thank you, Siraj. So, a very good evening to all who are present here for today's session. I welcome esteemed faculty, respected principals, and your students from various colleges who are present here for today's evening on 30 hours of student development program on cracking Accenture coding interviews. Amar, could you please allow me to share the screen?
Yeah, sure.
So I hope the screen is visible to all.
Yes, Nita, it's clearly visible.
Yeah. Thank you. So it is with great enthusiasm that on behalf of XLR, I, Nitya, from the institutional vertical, welcome you all for today's student development program that is on cracking Accenture coding interviews. So to our respected faculty, principals, your presence is invaluable and we deeply appreciate your time, your effort in nurturing the next generation of the skilled professionals. And your encouragement and leadership play a pivotal role in shaping the future of our students, and we are privileged to work alongside with you in our future endeavor. So, to our brilliant students who are thrilled to see and know more about our today's session, a 30 hours cracking Accenture coding interview. So, before we could proceed forward, let me introduce about ourselves. XLR, a strategic partner of colleges for classroom to corporate success. So, we at the forefront from more than 11 plus years, coined out by an IIM and ISB alumni, having its headquartered at Houston, trained students close to 5 lakh plus, and we cater to skilling needs of all categories, starting from the students, individuals, institutions, industries. So we have our presence across the major cities, including Houston, US, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune. So, reflecting our commitment to deliver the high quality education and training. So, we have partnered with our premium associations like IIT Roorkee, Skill Up APSSDC, APSHE, TASK, KMDC, IIM Madras, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, NASCOM Future Skills, having lending our extending our shoulders in terms of connecting with them largely for projects and internship, which I would be also letting you know and giving a little more insights on it in the next slides of mine. So XLR offers a wide array of technical training programs, and having been successful, we have been awarded twice by Deloitte as the fastest growing technology company, and many others like Silicon India, PMP Training, Analytics India, and of course by APSSDC and IIT Roorkee too. So a decade of training excellence, having trained on faculty development programs and student development programs, we have covered or we have trained successfully 50,000 plus faculties, both on engineering and degree categories, and student development programs, trained 550,000 plus students, and webinars and seminar workshops conducted close to 500 plus, technical trainings of 30 plus technical courses. The technical courses which I am talking about, I would be showcasing that too in my next slide, and having 5,000 plus placement partners. So we are strongly in connect with institutions, universities, colleges, close to 1,500 plus academic partners. And our recent engagements, which are in full stack development at IIT Bombay for the researchers and the faculties, and also at IIT Roorkee on time series analysis and predictive analytics. So we have a lot of other categories also, a recent engagement at BITS Pilani, and we have connected with the IIT Madras in providing the joint certification courses. And we took up an initiative of connecting the Skill Up final year students, that is final year students, in providing the Skill Up final year program on a campus recruitment with placement assistance, which had 200 plus hours of training on 5 subject module, which is on coding skills, quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, soft skills, and also tips and techniques for building your resume, LinkedIn profiling, techniques to ACE through which will help in cracking the second, third rounds in terms of group discussion or personal interviews. And this has started on 8th of Jan, and we completed somewhere in the the beginning of April. And this was completely again under a strong connect with iHub Divya Sampark, IIT Roorkee, and the students who got trained from this training program were, uh, I mean, honored with prestigious certificate from iHub Divya Sampark. So this just didn't happen only on a training front, but the students underwent assignments, assessments. We had a complete set of question bank for the students to revise and prepare for the interviews which were forthcoming. So having been successful on this, we stepped into another journey in association with APSHE, which is Internships and Projects Program in association with APSHE. Having trained the students on close to 30 plus technology training tracks, both minor and major projects, interaction with the students for about 180 hours of virtual self-paced experiential learning, and constantly checking on their assignments and assessments. The students were given LMS access, and additionally, they also had a 240 plus hours of campus recruitment training, again on the 5 subject module, which was an add-on benefit which they had it under this internship program. So towards the end, the students also underwent a lot of assessments, assignments, quizzes, and they were moved to the placement. So on that, we had close to 18,000 plus students registered, trained on 22 tracks for a duration of 16 to 20 weeks. And the colleges who participated were around 230, again, under which degree were 30 plus and engineering were 175 plus. So this is one of our successful, the initiation which we have in front of you. And now we have another opportunity for all those who are present here, where we have strongly in association with NASSCOM. We are very soon, we have the students enrolling for the projects and internship, again, with the placement assistance on the 20 plus technology tracks. For more queries on this, probably you can connect with me. I would just drop in my contact number and email ID. You can reach out to me towards the end of the session. So wherein under this, there would be again 20 plus technology tracks. The students will be taking up this training program at a self-paced, and of course, it will have a blend of 10 hours of online mentoring and guidance too, with reference material and 365 days of LMS access, 240 plus hours of CRT training, 5 certification courses, and another new aspect of this program would be the student will be honored with NASCOM certificate, NASCOM and XLR joint certificate with placement assistance. So this is how the journey of a program a student who is aspiring to take up this projects and internship would look like, where they would start with enrolling and then take up the live online self-paced learning guidance and work on the real-time live projects and move to the certification, move to the placement and get the placement opportunities. So we have a strong connect with 5,000 plus companies, placement partners. So the students who are through with this project and internship would get placed within the 5,000 plus placement partners. On completion, the student will be honored with an XLR NASCOM joint certificate. So now let's move on to the much awaited subject. So I would do a little more honoring for our prestigious, privileged, distinguished guests who are for today. So let me take you through. So before which I would like to share a few words about our dignitary, Professor Suchita Revankar, Coordinator of Computer Science Department from NR Swami College of Commerce and Economics. Having MSc in Electronics and MPhil in IT, serving 27 plus years in electronics, information technology, cybersecurity, having a thorough understanding on the technological advancements, we have our dignitary, Professor Suchita Revankar. Ma'am, I would request you to share a few words about this event.
Good evening, all. This is Ruhi Prajal Gogle. On behalf of our coordinator, Mrs. Suchita Revankar, ma'am, I take this opportunity to introduce this course. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants and all the people in XLR, the whole XLR team. They have taken a lot of effort for this course, and we are actually excited to kick off this journey with our student development course, and which is actually nothing but to empower their essential skills for both personal and academic growth. Special thanks to Pravalika. She has actually put in so many efforts for this program. And the XLR, just to the introduction part, I would like to tell our students that XLR, we have done the joint venture with XLR, and SIWS is very privileged to, conducting such kind of student development and faculty development courses. We encourage all the students to engage actively. You may ask your questions and take full advantage of the resources available to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, Ruhi ma'am, for sharing kind words about XLR and, of course, the insights and the inputs which you have given for the students on the offerings under XLR. So moving forward, let me welcome a student coordinator from NR Swami College, Mr. Ramakrishna Sudalai Mani Yadav. He is the he is a student society coordinator, a dedicated TY BSc Computer Science student at SIWS College with a strong foundation in programming, software development, and computer system. So he is actively expanding knowledge in emerging technologies and applications. So I would request Mr. Ramakrishna to share a few words.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ramakrishna Yadav, and it's my pleasure to welcome all as today's Student Development Program Coordinator. on behalf of SIWS College. I am honored to have such an enthusiastic gathering of students, faculties, and experts, and all eager to share knowledge and shape of our academic journey. At SIWS, we believe in empowering students not only in academic excellence but also with opportunities like when we grow together, gain real world insights, prepare for our challenges ahead. This program is designed for unlock new skills, foster innovations, and encourage collaboration among peers. And I welcome every student to actively participate and take benefit of this program. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Ramakrishna. We are very proud of you having actively expanding your knowledge in various, that is in programming and software development. So thank you so much for your kind words. So let's move on to our dignitary. Dr. D. Usharani, Principal and Professor of Physics, MES College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Bangalore, having 35 plus years in physics at the undergraduate level and 34 years at MES College. So currently she's serving as the Principal of MES College and Professor in Physics, having a PhD research in physics education and presented multiple papers at national and international conference. So over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I'm extremely happy to be a part of this event today. As you mentioned, I'm from MES College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Ours is a very renowned institution in Malleshwaram. We are accredited A by NAC assessment process. And our objective is to provide holistic learning to all the students and yet be deep rooted in our values. And the norm of the day or the requirement of the day for the present day generation is to skill and upskill themselves. So in view of this, the cracking Accenture coding interviews student development program, I strongly believe that it's an initiative that's a comprehensive, designed to help all the students to get knowledge in the essential topics like coding patterns, problem-solving strategies, and technical interview preparation. As was mentioned in the presentation, there is a structured reference materials that would be given to the students, the practice quizzes, and interactive coding sessions. I'm sure that this SDP will equip all the students with the skills and the confidence needed to succeed, to gain the knowledge that is essential for their academic pursuits. I encourage you all to take full advantages of this opportunity and be thoroughly prepared in sharpening your coding skills and gain a competitive edge over the other students. Best wishes to all the participants for a successful learning experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. So I believe with your immense experience and a passion for innovative pedagogical approaches and the kind words which you have shared in terms of the inputs which you have given for the students will certainly help the students who are undergoing the training at here at XLR, ma'am. So next, let
Thank
me
you so
move on.
much.
Yes, ma'am. So next, I would like to call upon Mr. Tejasvi Dev, a student coordinator, BCA Computer Science, MES College, to share a few words, before which I would like to say that he's pursuing BCA at MES College, and he's a quick learner and ability to grasp information, and he's reliable team player with excellent communication skill. So over to you, Tejasvi.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. This is Tejasvi Dev VB, Student Coordinator, MES from MES College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Malleshwaram, Bangalore. Uh, I come from an institution where we get a quality of education, a very good environment, be it our values, culturals, and sports. and we are with the flying colors from our institution, and our institution has helped us to pursue the best of our knowledge. And our institution is accredited by A grade from NAC, and our institution is giving quality education from 29 plus years, and we are still counting. It's my great honor to be a part of this institution and the coordinator and the student coordinator for this course, which uh, helps us to crack interviews, which is the main part of getting recruited somewhere. So that even though if you write a whole lot of exams and do everything else, we have seen people failing in interviews. So this will help you all to get the right thing done. And of course, this platform is a right place to learn. I would like to thank all the board members of the XLR, Principal Dr. D. Usharani ma'am of MES College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. I would like to thank my HOD, Sudha ma'am, HOD Department of Computer Science. Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. And I would like to wish best of luck for all my fellow participants and students. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tejaswi. So just you take the pride. I also am happy, and I would like to add on here that I am also an ex-student of MES College. So I believe and understand that, of course, students from MES College and yeah, the aspiring energy and the passion for learning is always there, which is definitely fruitful. And place like XLR would actually help them in giving them that roadmap and bringing them out in beautiful colors.
Happy to hear that, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So let's move over to our other dignitary, Mr. Dr. A. Chandrasekhar, Dean Research from St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Tamil Nadu. He has 22 plus years of teaching experience in engineering and guided more than 12 PhD research scholars and 50 plus ME students. So he has published over 113 research articles, and he has done research expertise, which includes in network security, cloud security, data mining, artificial intelligence, and big data analysis. So hearty welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am. I'm happy to hear a part of this program. So I congratulate each and everyone participants for cracking Accenture coding interviews. In general, for cracking code interviews, we require time complexity. So we are studying time and space complexity. So how much quickly we have solved the problem. So for this, how to crack this code with minimum period of time. So the time period is very much essential. So I require all the participants how much time we easily crack the code. So for this, the practice makes every man perfect. So without practicing, we cannot crack the interviews, coding interviews. Okay. So ours, St. Joseph College of Engineering, situated in OMR Chenvan is an 31 years college. We offering 11 undergraduate programs and three postgraduate programs with the intake of 1,758. So we are an autonomous institutions. We are accredited by NBA since 2003, and also we are accredited by NAC since 2020. So our college is continuously participated in NIRF rank. In 2017, we got 97 rank. In 2024, we are in the band of 200, and we are we are securing second rank in the performance band of NSIIR 23 by MHRD and Niti Aayog by Atal. And since in the inception, we consistently ranked by Anna University among top 5 institutions in Tamil Nadu. the total. So total rank so far secured will be 1,541, which includes 57 gold medal and 55 silver medal. So we are recognized by research center by Anna University. So we have 198 doctorates. So far we have completed 212. So I have completed 38 PhD candidates. We are recognized as best exam preparatory center for conducting business English certificate program, and also best preparatory test center by the um, aspiring minds. We also received a fund from DST and all the agencies with a worth of 3 crores. Okay, I wish everyone for this successful program. Thank
It
you.
is very fascinating to hear about St. Joseph's College of Engineering, your works and your accomplishments, sir. And we are very happy that XLR is associated with St. Joseph's College. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So let me move on to our student coordinator from Student Society Coordinator, Mr. Manoj D from St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Tamil Nadu. So let's hear from him. He is a third year BTech student specializing in artificial intelligence and machine learning. His focus areas are on computer vision, natural language processing, and he is experienced in theoretical knowledge to practical projects. So currently he is working on a machine learning project for predictive analytics. So we are happy to hear that, and we welcome you for today's event. Over to you, Manoj.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, good evening, everyone. It's a great honor to be here today as a student society guest. And I want to express my gratitude to all the participants who have joined this event. Events like this bring together passionate individuals who are eager to grow, share knowledge, and collaborate. And I'm thrilled to be a part of it. To introduce myself, I am Manoj D, a third year student at St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I'm currently pursuing a BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, where I focus on developing innovative solutions through coding and data analysis. I enjoy thinking creatively and solving problems in unique ways, and I'm excited to share my experience with all of you today. We will also be discussing a topic that I know many of you are keen on: cracking coding interviews, particularly at companies like Accenture. Having successfully navigated the Accenture interview process, they will be sharing some strategies and insights that can help you feel more confident and better prepared for your own interviews. So, lastly, and now today, I would like to give a special mention to XLR, an organization that has been instrumental in developing students like us upskill and stay competitive in the tech industry. Their dedication to providing quality education has helped many students, including myself, and today we have been learning so to sharpen our abilities and become more adaptable in today's fast changing world. Thank you all once again for being here. I look forward to engaging and productive section. Let's make the most of this opportunity to learn and grow together. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Manoj, for encouraging and your kind words. So let's move on to our other dignitary, Mr. Dr. P. Patabi Rama Mohan, Senior Assistant Professor, Aditya University from Andhra Pradesh. So he is from the Computer Science, Computer Applications Department, and he brings an extensive expertise in computer science and application development. He holds MCA and MTech in Computer Science and Engineering, and he is dedicated in nurturing the next generation of IT professionals. So over to you, sir.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. I am delighted to be here today, the kickoff Accenture Crack Coding Interview Program brought by XLR. As we all know, Accenture is one of the world's leading organization in the consulting and technology. And cracking their coding interview process is a major milestone for any aspiring IT professional. This training program has been designed to equip with you the essential tools to navigate the rigorous interview process at Accenture. It's not just about the technical skills, but developing a mindset of problem solving, critical thinking, and coding efficiency that Accenture values highly. Through this program, you will dive deep into core coding concepts crucial to technical interviews, algorithmic thinking and effective use of data structures, real world coding challenges that mirror Accenture interview format. I would also like to take a moment off to recognize Aditya University, formerly Aditya Engineering College, Surampalam, which has always championed academic excellence and innovation. Our institution has a long-standing history of producing a top-tier engineering and technology professionals. This transformation into Aditya University reflects our commitment to evolving with the industry demands and providing our students with opportunities to excel. Just like a partnership we are forecasting here today with XLR IR. This training will not only prepare you for Accenture, but will also develop skills that will serve you throughout your career in IT. I encourage you all the students to be proactive, practice regularly, and take full advantage of the resources and mentorship available. Thank you to the team of XLR IR. Best of luck to each of you. I look forward to hearing about your success stories in the near future. Thank you to one and all. A special thanks to XLR IR team and Aditya University management. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. As Mr. Dr. Patabi Rama Mohan sir said, that this session, this learning is not only on cracking an interview at Accenture, but also the other companies. So let's get prepared on, and it is, I think you all are waiting from long to know more about this program. So let me start by introducing our subject matter expert, Mr. Samba Shiva. He is a senior front-end developer and front-end architect. He's a subject matter expert on full stack solution leader at Brain Enterprises. So having 15 plus years of experience in the front-end and mobile application, skilled in Java, C, C++, Bootstrap, jQuery, and many others, trained close to 10,000 plus candidates globally on various full stack curriculums. So let me call upon our subject matter expert, Mr. Samba Shiva. I request you to share a few words.
Yeah. Good evening to all. I can say a few words regarding this training. This training will helpful to all the students, not only for the Accenture, and it will helpful to all the companies. Especially in the training, we are putting the focus on the problem solving skills, how the student can quickly solve the problems. Definitely this training make the students like they can easily, whoever attended this training here, I think whoever followed the properly, definitely this training will help for all the participant to crack any interview, Accenture, Infosys, these kind of things. Okay, fine, Nitya.
Thank you, Shamba Shiva. So today, the participants who are here will learn more about this training program, which is of 30 hours, unlocking access to the cutting edge resources to sharpen your coding skills, real world insights from the industry professionals, and especially to understand the top companies like Accenture, what to expect in terms of, and get prepared on the assignments to test your knowledge. And towards the end, you would get a digital certificate at zero cost. So I would just hand over the session to Mr. Amar. Amar?
Yes.
Okay. So once again, we extend our heartfelt thanks to all the principals, faculties, and students who participated today. So without further ado, let's get started with your LMS training, which will be handled by Mr. Amar. Over to you, Amar.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nitya, for such a wonderful introduction. Dear students, once again, very good evening and warm welcome to this 30 hours student development program. Okay, I hope my voice is loud and clear. If yes, can you please raise your hand, guys? Okay, yeah. Thank you so much.
That shows all these participants are super excited to know more about the program.
Yes, right.
Thank you, Amar, for those questions.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so dear students, I'm here to give you the quick walkthrough of the LMS. Okay, so I know that you are eagerly waiting to start off the session, but once we set up the expectations, then there will be no any problem for next 15 days, right? So let's go ahead with the LMS KT for next 10 minutes, and after that we'll start with the session. To get the LMS access, registration is the most important thing. I know that most of you are already done, but still, if anybody directly join the session, the link which you received from your friends, so it's my humble request, go ahead, hit on the registration link which I shared in the chat box, and do register. Why? Because to get the LMS access, registration is important. And why LMS access you required? To go through the recordings of the session, you will find the material, you are able to download all these things, or you are able to view all these things over the LMS for next 1 year, 365 days. Okay, so already I shared the registration link over the Zoom and YouTube as well. Those who not registered, so please go ahead and complete your registration. So guys, LMS is known as a learning management system, and by using the LMS, we are going to provide you the recording, the material, attendance, and the assignment, even assessments too. Okay, and it's XLR online portal. Now, those who are completed their registration successfully, they already received an email confirmation from our side. So, dear students, while checking your emails, check in the inbox simultaneously. If you not received and you shared your email ID correctly, then try to check this email in the spam folder. There are chances to drop that email in a spam box as well. So you need to open the first email, and the first email is welcome to XLR and verify your account. By using this email, you need to verify your account. So clearly you can see here verification link is mentioned, and click on this link to set your password. Once you click on this link, you have to set the password here. So whatever password you want, you can set here and confirm that same password here too. Okay. So dear learners, if you have any query or question, stay tuned. After completion of the LMS KT, I will take it up. No need to worry. For now, just focus on the LMS. Okay. So the password will be completely new. It's not like that you need to set the password of, you need to give the password of any account, Gmail account or any another account. It will be a completely new password. So type that password, confirm that password, and click on set my password. This is the very first step towards to access the LMS. Once you are done with this step, open the second email. Second email is a welcome course invitation email. Welcome to the SDP on cracking Accenture coding intern. Okay, so here we mention the step 1, step 2, step 3. So let's go step by step. So in the step 1, we mention one link. So dear students, as many of you are from tech background and you already know what is the meaning of a URL, right? So however, on a daily basis, we are using the Instagram, WhatsApp, few of you are using the Amazon or Flipkart. So every website will have their own URL like Amazon.com, Flipkart.com. Likewise, our XLR website URL is XLR.com. But addition to that, it's our own LMS portal. So our LMS portal is onlinelearning.xlr.com. So why I'm just stressing on that point, because in the future, not required to open the email every time and search for this mail and need to click on this link and go there. Not required. Simply use any of the browser, type it down onlinelearning.xlr.com, and you will land here on this page. Here, not required to do a registration because you are already registered member. Now you need to do a sign in. So click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will land here. Here you need to provide your email ID and the password. So dear students, email ID, why I'm saying email ID? You will say, sir, there is an option of mobile number too. But no, you not receive any of the text message or WhatsApp message, right? You received an email confirmation. That's why I'm saying you need to use the email ID and the password. Which password, guys? The password which we set in the first email, wherever I mentioned that this is the very first steps towards accessing the LMS. That password you need to set here. Okay, after a gap of 1 month, 2 months, again you feel that let's open the XLR website and go through this program again, because might be probably you will have a Accenture coding interview after 1 month or 2 months as right? So definitely you can go through the recordings, practical sessions, and you will get the material as well. So at that time, if you are not able to find the password, we have option to forget your password. Okay, so click on forget your password. You will get an mail confirmation, set the new password. So just let's imagine that I entered my email ID password successfully and I will click on login. Okay, now what will happen? Let's go and check how LMS work live. So just be there with me for a couple of seconds. I'm resharing my screen. And yes, my screen is visible for sure as I'm getting the notification. So once you are going to provide your credentials successfully, you will land here on this beautiful dashboard. And let's go ahead with the first step, how you will join the session. The first and most important thing, how you will join the session, right? If you join the session, then only you will get the knowledge, right? So at the right hand side, you can see currently you are able to see my system view. Okay, so in the mobile view, you will get this today's session tab below this classroom. But in the system, in today's session, you can search for today's session SDP, right? Day 1. As I'm a member of XLR, I already have a couple of classroom access. But on your dashboard, only one classroom will be visible. And if you click on the join button, it will take you to the Zoom. But for entire day, join button will be not visible. So in between 6:50 to 9 o'clock, join button will be visible. Okay. So you can join the session via Zoom by clicking here. Clear? After that, if you are facing any difficulty to join via Zoom, we have second option to join via YouTube too. So here you can see there is one banner. So click on that. If you click on that banner, it will take you through the YouTube live. Okay. So whatever things you guys are raising, any queries or any question, now just imagine this live chat is not visible for me. Okay. So all other things are visible, but live chat is not visible for me. But you want to ask any questions, or we are going to share the link as well, the attendance link or any application links to be shared. So scroll down and here you have an option of live chat. Okay, so click on that. You will get the live chat here. Whatever the queries and question you guys have, you can post here. We are continuously going to be active on the YouTube live as well, where each and every question will be answered. The most important thing. Now you will say that, okay, so how will join the session every day? We're not required to click on the link and nothing. So you can see here there is a subscribe button. So hit on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. You will get a notification sharp at 6:50 only to join the session. Okay, so subscribe the channel right now. Not required to search for the link, not required to go here and there, and not required of the reminder, not required to set the alarm too, right? And whatever the queries and question you are going to have, make sure that you are posting here. Okay, this is how you can join the session above from the YouTube. Now we'll go and we'll see where you will get the attendance, recording, and material. So in the classroom, you can see here SDP on cracking Accenture coding interview. Click there. Once you click in the curriculum, you are able to see feedback response, agenda, session recording, and material, right? And in the Meet, you can see from here also you can join the session. And on which days we will have a session, you will get to know here. So 23, 24, 25th, 28th, So entire training calendar for next 15 days is already blocked. Okay. So if you are going in the next month of the November 2, then you will get that calendar blocked here. Okay. So our day 15 is going to happen on 13th of the November. Okay. So here you will get the entire calendar. In the curriculum, feedback response. So please submit your attendance and feedback here. Dear students, few of YouTube participant asking me how I will get the certificate, how to mark the attendance and all these things. So once you click here, you will get a Google form, but currently this form will open between 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. There is one notification, right? Okay. So every day this form will be active for only 1 hour. And what is the use of form? This form is considered as attendance and feedback. 60% attendance is required to get the certificate of participation. After completion of the training program, within next 10 to 15 working days, you will get the certificate if your attendance is going to be 60 or more than 60%. And real-time feedback you need to share if you are really enjoying the session, if you are looking for any change, we need to go slow or all going good. We want a real-time feedback from your side. So now few of you will say that I just registered, I don't have LMS access, I'm not able to access the LMS. No need to worry. If we are there, no need to fear. For today and going forward as well, we don't want to waste your time. We want you to focus on the session only. So we are going to share the link over the Zoom and YouTube as well, sharp at 8:30. Okay. So this is about the attendance. Below that, tomorrow you will get the day-wise agenda, what we are going to learn in these next 15 days. Session recordings. So day 1 to day 15, all recordings will be here. And below that, whatever material Samba sir is going to use, will upload all the material. So how? Now you know that how to join the session, how to join via Zoom and YouTube, recordings, all these things, right? Now I will just take 2 to 3 minutes, 3 minutes only. It's 7:57. So till 8, I will take the questions and then we'll start with the session. So those who have questions, go ahead, post in the chat box. Others, if it's clear, go ahead and raise your hand. Then I will get the confirmation as it's clear. Okay, can we get the registration link again? Yeah, absolutely. Why not? Shared. Only 24 participants clear with the LMS KT. Others, verification failed. No need to worry. Forgot your password. Okay, those who are registered today morning, they will get the notification. They will get the email confirmation within the next 24 hours. Okay, clear. Good. Sir, I have a question. That another session in the XLR who I can handle both of the sessions. So it is depend on you, be like which one is most important. And for other program, you can go to the recordings too. This program is completely free. Sir, I have registered yesterday. Okay, Shubham, no need to worry. We'll check on that. Okay. Okay. Anyway, students, I'm going to be there till 9 o'clock. You can keep posting me your questions and I'm going to solve. After that, I'm going to share one email ID to you. If you're not able to solve that, you can just drop an email there and our team will be solving your queries and question. Okay. On this note, thank you so much, all of you, for hearing me. And I'm handing over the session to Sambas. Thank you all.
Thanks, Samar.
Yeah, thank you.
Good evening to all. Let me start the our Accenture cracking interview sessions directly. Fine. Now, all the people, all the participants, I'm requesting here. It's a two-way communication session. Please try to give us some response through the chat box. Coming to Accenture, we have 3 sessions, 3 levels of interview. One for like aptitude, and you know now already you people know like reasoning and a verbal. Like this also, initially they will conduct that one. So in this area, they will ask around 50 questions. So this is the level 1. Fine. Coming to the level 2. This level we can call technical level. Technical round, especially written test. Fine. In this round, Accenture will ask around 40 questions. Around 40 questions they will ask. Fine. So in which area they're asking the questions? Then let me list out. Let me explain all the areas. Then we need to start the digging of each and every topic. Fine. They will ask questions on common applications. Just basic questions, basic computer questions they will ask. Fine. In these common questions, they will put the focus on Microsoft Word, Next one is the Microsoft Excel, and the third one is the Microsoft Access. Fourth one is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Next one is the Outlook. They will ask some few questions on Outlook also. Next one is the another area is the Publisher, Microsoft Publisher. Basic questions, no need to worry in this area. Here they will ask some basic questions. Fine. Next one. After completing the common questions, they will ask some pseudo codes. In the written test, they will give some pseudo code to you, like some pseudo, like some flow chart or pseudo code kind of thing. They will give some pseudo code in the exam paper, and they will ask output from the students, output from the participants. So in the pseudo code also, last 6 years papers already I analyzed. Last 6 years papers already we analyzed it. Then they will ask the questions on, especially on OOPS. Yeah, they will give some pseudo code on OOPS. Like we have some OOPS principle. Whoever don't have the knowledge on the OOPS, no need to worry. But OOPS also we will cover as part of this cracking interview. Next one is the another thing is the very important topic. Very important topic. The topic is the data structures. Data structures and algorithms. Yeah, in the data structures and algorithms also coming to the pseudocodes. Majorly, they're putting the focus on searching algorithms and sorting algorithms. They will put the focus on searching algorithms and sorting algorithms. Like example, linear search. No need to worry, just I'm explaining the paper pattern. We analyzed last 6 to 7 years papers, 6 to 7 years Accenture papers. how they are putting the focus. We are explaining that one. If you say, sir, I don't know what is searching, what is sorting, no need to worry. We will explain what is searching, what is sorting. Just to see the syllabus pattern, how they're asking the questions. Linear search, coming to the sorting, they will ask the bubble sort. Next one is the merge sort. Merge sort. And like this also, so many pseudo questions, so many pseudo questions they will give. And they will ask what is the output of the pseudo code. These are the things that they're expecting. Fine. After the pseudo questions, they will ask a question on networking also. Fine. Coming to the networking, don't think too much regarding the networking. Like they won't ask like any complicated levels in the networking, just a basic level questions they will ask. Like what is a LAN? What is a LAN? And what is WAN? And what is a MAN? Next one is the what is IP address? What is IP address? What is IP address? Next one is the and what is a protocol? And what is a protocol? And like this also, like basic questions. And what is URL? And what is a security? What is a security? And these kind of questions that they will ask as part of networking here. Like a protocol, what is protocol here? Like what is protocol? Like this also they will ask the few questions. So majorly they will put the focus on these three areas. Once again, I'm saying here, in the Accenture, we have the 3 levels. Out of 3 levels, first level related to aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and these kind of things. I hope already you know this aptitude and reasoning. Coming to the second level of interview, they will ask the questions on technical round, especially the technical round on written test. In this technical round, they will ask around 40 questions. Only 40 questions only. They won't ask them more than one. In that 40 questions also, they will ask some questions on basic applications. So like, do you people are comfortable with the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint? These kind of questions they will ask them. Next one. After completing they will ask around 12 questions in this area. They will ask around 12 questions, 10 to 12 questions. I'm not giving the exact number. Year to year, they're changing it. But the frequency changing from 10 to 12 questions. These questions easily we can crack, no need to worry. Next one. And coming to the pseudo code, they're asking around 18 questions. That is also not fixed, 18 to 20 questions. In these 18 to 20 questions, they're putting more focus on data structures and algorithms. Not only data structures and algorithms, they're putting the focus on the OOPs. Fine. Next one. And coming to the data structures and algorithms, they're putting main focus on searching and sortings, especially in the written test. And after completing these 30 questions in the networking area also, they will ask around 10 questions, 10 plus questions or 10 questions. These 10 questions are very easy. In this one, they're asking, yeah, Harsh. Yeah, definitely, Harsh, we will share this one. All the question papers also we will share. Harsh, let me continue. All the question papers and everything. Total material we will hand over through the LMS portal. You can download from the LMS. In the today's session, I'm giving the total agenda, like how Accenture will ask the questions in the interview. That's our agenda. Harsh, you asked one message now. Will you share this blueprint of this? I will share it. Fine. Next one, and one more thing. After completing the written test, we have the third level. Here we have the third level here. The third level is the coding round. Coding round here. In coding round, coming to the coding round, in the coding round, they will ask around 2 questions. I'm requesting all the participants then put the focus on the agenda. how Accenture asking the questions. What is the question paper pattern? You people should know that one. What are the pattern I'm saying? We are analyzing last 6 years papers. Based on that pattern only, we are giving the complete blueprint out here. Yeah, I will answer all the participant questions. First of all, let me complete it. Then 5 to 10 minutes I will give the time to you. Then you can trigger the questions. Then I can answer it. First of all, let me complete the syllabus. Fine. Here in the coding round, mainly they will ask the 2 questions. Fine. In the coding round, here very important point. In the coding round, they will put focus on your logical thinking, not on particular language. So many students, they're thinking like the student should know C language, C++, Java, .NET, PHP. No. Especially not only Accenture, any company will look for, all the companies looking for the ability of a problem solving. That's it. Don't think like I should know C language, C++ language. No. Even though if we explain that code in the C language, they will happy. C++, they are happy here. So language is not required. They will calculate, they will evaluate based on your problem solving skills. Fine. Here, see this one. Here, very important topics. The topics are the arrays topic. Compulsory. Definitely out of 2 questions, you can expect 1 question. 1 questions in the arrays, and some people they are calling arrays manipulations. Like here, apart from that one, here we need to go for one more very important topic. The topic is the string manipulations. String manipulations. In arrays manipulations and string manipulations, we can expect 1 question out of 2 questions. Fine. Next one. After completing the arrays manipulations and string manipulations, then definitely 100% 1 question on data structures. In the data structures also, they will put more focus on time complexity. Next one is the space complexity. Time complexity. Next one is the space complexity. Next one is the stacks. Next one is the queues. Next one is the linked list. One more thing is the linked list. And one more thing is we have the one more thing here, trees and the graphs. I think I verified the last 5 to 6 years papers. I'm not finding any questions on the trees and graphs. Maybe one time they asked that question, trees and graphs. Maximum they will ask the questions on linked lists only, either linked list or stacks or queues. And anyhow, 1 or 2 times they asked the trees and graphs also, then we need to solve that questions also. Fine. And one more possibility area, that is the greedy algorithm. Okay. So this is the total agenda, especially related to Accenture. Fine. And these topics, whatever the topics we have, these topics we will explain with respect to these technologies. C, C++, Java, .NET not required. .NET not required here. And one more thing is the Python. So no need to worry. Whatever the concepts I'm covering in the class, the same concepts we will execute into multiple languages. We will execute into C language. We will execute into CPP. We will execute into Java, and we will execute into Python also. So this is the total agenda which is related to Accenture interview. Fine. But before asking the questions, give me the 2 more minutes of time. To attend this training, no prerequisites. No prerequisite. We will cover from scratch itself because so many non-IT students are there. So many non-IT students are there. So we will cover all the topics from scratch itself. For example, if you say, sir, I don't know C. Sir, will you cover? Yes, we will cover. We will cover how to install the C language and how to work with the C language. And some people, they say, sir, I don't know CPP. Yes, we will cover in the session itself. Just installation basis, na? Just like installation or something. It won't take the much time. Fine. Next one. And we will start our content from scratch itself. And one more point, one more frequent raised question. Sir, I didn't understand any terminology in the today's session. No worry. Today, I'm giving the blueprint of Accenture interview question paper. That's it. That's it. Not more than that one. If you say, sir, I don't know what is the searching. No need to worry. In the classroom itself, we will cover what is searching and what is sorting and how to perform the linear search like a bubble sort, merge sort, thick sort. So many searching and sorting techniques will be there. So as part of our training, then we will cover these searchings and sortings also. Fine. Next one. And one more thing. You may raise one question. Sir, I don't know arrays manipulation, string manipulation, data structures. You may say, sir, we have a zero knowledge. No need to worry. Slowly, from scratch itself, we will cover it. And one more thing. One more thing is that here, I will cover last 5 years papers. Papers on Accenture. Fine. So, in session itself, I will clear 2 papers, 1 or 2 papers. Then I will upload remaining papers to the LMS itself. Then you people need to download it and you people need to write the answers. Then you people need to submit the answers also. Then we will correct it here and we will get the reply to you. We will get the feedback to you. Fine. So this is the total agenda. Fine. Now, guys, I will give the 5 minutes of time. Then please unmute yourself and please ask the questions. If your background is clear, then raise the questions. If your background is not clear, if your background voice is clear, then unmute yourself and ask the questions. If the background, if you have any background noise, don't unmute, don't ask any questions. Fine. Please ask the questions or otherwise send the message. One by one, don't ask the questions at a time, care one by one. Does anyone want to ask the questions related to only technical, not LMS?
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Can you ask clearly, loudly? Please ask question loudly.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, it's audible.
So my question was, will we be able to solve these questions on the LMS portal itself, the portal of XLR?
Are you talking like MCQs?
No, sir. I'm talking about the coding questions like the DSA and OOPS concept related questions.
Like I say, this one, coming to the round two is the MCQ questions. Am I right or not? Then we will upload our questions to the LMS portal. Then you can answer directly, you can see the result directly. Okay, now coming to the DSA manually we will correct it. Manually we will correct that answer questions. What's the time complexity of it? How much time it is taking to execute your program? And for example, while increasing the inputs, what's the behavior of your coding? Manually we need to check it. Okay, fine. Next one. Any other question?
Good evening, sir.
One by one. If your background is clear, then only raise the questions, otherwise don't raise the questions.
Good evening, sir. Yogeshri. Sir, do they ask question about common applications also in technical round?
They are asking like you are asking like level 2 or level 3?
Like in the level 2, sir.
Level 2, definitely they will ask the questions. Like basic questions will no need to worry. They will check whether are you comfortable to work with the MS Office, like a PowerPoint, this kind of thing. Yes, sir. They will ask around 10 plus questions in that area. Yes, questions are there. That questions also we will cover in the session. No need to worry. That questions are very simple questions they will ask.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir,
Questions?
sir,
Hmm.
sir, in this time, in Accenture, they have asking about two coding questions, right? So in these recent times, I have saw that I have in a group. So in that group, they have posted the today ask these questions. So they have asking about the some arrays and basic, I mean, looping questions, sir. So I have recognized that today in Accenture assessment, they have asking two questions. One is 1 to 100 prime number, and another one is smallest and largest element in the array.
That level we are covering in the class answer location. We will
Yes,
cover it.
yes, sir.
Okay, na? But
Yes, sir.
I told like they are asking the two questions from the past 6 years onwards, so they are following the same things. They are
Okay.
following the same thing. So, but my suggestion, Bala Lokesh sir, my suggestion is it's better to learn concept clearly.
Yes, sir.
For example, now in this year, from the past 5 to 6 years onwards, they're asking like two questions. Maybe in the future they may ask 3 to 4 questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? And Bala Lokesh sir, and one more question I will tell you. Elimination round depending on data structures only. If the participant are strong in data structures, definitely they can crack the interview.
Yes, sir.
Arrays like whatever you asked, like
Yes, sir.
prime numbers up to the given number, like up to the nth number, like a factorial and Armstrong number and reverse string. Some questions are there. These questions, the people should be perfect. I think if the participant perfect in that area, not only Accenture interview, we can crack any company interview also. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So my intention also, our intention, XLR intention also, make participants ready in the concept wise. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
And along with the concept wise, we will put more focus on the Accenture paper. At least 1 or 2 papers I will solve in the our
Yes,
session.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 to 3 papers we will upload to LMS portal. Then you people need to solve it.
Okay.
I think then in the future, if any interview related to Accenture, then the participants will feel a little bit comfortable. It's already with the pattern, already with the questions. Okay, na?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Next one. Next one. Are any other questions? And 5 more minutes, I'll give the time to you. Are any other questions? Are any other questions?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, in the sir, what are the clusters, sir?
What are the
Clusters అన్నారు కదండి sir.
clusters? We were talking about the clusters now.
అంటే
Are you talking about
yes, sir.
clusters? Are you talking like in the point of view DevOps? DevOps, sir.
No, sir. Recently, one member asked a question on cluster, sir. Cluster 1, cluster 2.
Working like in the networking. In the networking, we have the concept like clusters, sir. Okay, no? The concept, clusters concept related to networking area. Networking.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Under that clusters also we will cover. There is a basic level question. Don't think too much that question. There's a basic level question. How your server behaving? If the number of requests are there, how your server behaving? Next one. And yes, sir.
Sir, do Accenture ask web development related questions like the concepts like JavaScript or anything?
At present, no. I think I see the some question paper. Maybe randomly they will ask. Randomly they will ask the questions. But already I told now, not only Accenture, Infosys, Wipro, these companies, they're putting the focus on your ability, like your ability of problem solving, not on particular technology, especially for the fresher level. Got it or not? I know why you asked that question. Sir, I'm the strong in the JavaScript. Will it helpful? No, I think it will helpful after getting the job, but for the fresher level entry, these are the pattern. Not only Accenture, almost all the companies, they are following the same pattern. Because small changes are there. Got it or not?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Maybe 1 or 2 questions they will ask in the web development. Not more on web development. Okay, no? Fine. Next one. Sir, please ask the only technical related questions. So don't ask like questions like in the third level, how many marks we need to get to crack the job. Don't ask that one here, because that is depending on the company itself. Okay, and don't ask the questions like how much academic percentage should I have. Don't ask that questions. Don't ask questions, because before conducting the exam, they will check your criteria also, whether or not. Next, Harshita, then they will ask questions. Last 3 questions, please ask me. Then I will go for the our technical discussions. If your background is, then ask the questions, or else don't ask the questions.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, as I'm a non-IT student, am I be able to cover all these topics in the 30-hour session?
Exactly, because we are covering the complete overview. I will provide here complete overview. Okay, no need to do, but do the some little bit of hard work, because you may say, sir, I'm completely new to the C. Can I cope up with the sessions or not? There's a question or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
From the scratch itself, I will cover in the class, because around 1,000 members are there. In the session, around 1,000 plus members are there. All are not from the IT background. Almost all 30 to 40% of people are coming from the non-IT background also. So we will put the focus on both the areas, both the technical, both IT and non. Okay, no need to do that. Yes.
Sir, the center.
If your background is clear, then only I'm Venki Chala. Yes. Any other question or any other questions?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Am I audible, sir?
Audible.
Sir, my question was, are we going to cover technical interview also? Am I going to get any guidance under technical interview to clear technical interview?
I hope I understood your question like face to face. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. When HR is asking me technical questions, am I going to get any guidance in this course about technical interview?
Yeah, technical interview, definitely I will take care here. Am I right or not? Technical interview questions, because after solving the first 2 questions, like in the third level, you need to solve the 2 questions. And definitely you have the face-to-face interview. What kind of questions they will ask and how you people need to answer, I will cover here. Okay. Our questions are you, like your personal details related to you only, you people need to answer it. Okay, like indirectly we're asking a soft skills. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Are any other questions?
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Sir, the questions asked in this round will be also depend on the which job role which we are applying, like as a Java developer.
You are the fresher. You are the fresher. Remember that point. You are the fresher. Okay, na? You don't have the choice to ask particular role. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or not? We don't have the choice. These questions related to common questions, not related to Java developer, not related to C developer, not related to .NET developer. You are the fresher. Okay, na? If the company have requirement on Java, company will assign Java to you, and the company will provide the training to you. And which domain? Java domain. If a company have requirement on the web development, company will move to the web development team, and they will provide the training in the web development. Got it or not? If you are the fresher, you don't have any choice. If you are the experienced, then only you have the choice. Got my answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Any other question, guys? Any other questions want to ask the question? Yes, go ahead.
Sir, what is the level of aptitude round, sir? Is it easy or medium or hard?
Ma'am, I think common questions, no, ma'am. I think aptitude in the sense common. Like you may ask like easy or difficult something. Based on the practice itself, I can say aptitude easy or difficult. We can't get a judgment for that one. Based on your practice only, based on your ability of thinking only. Am I right or not? Because like if you go to the technical level, technical questions, low level, medium level, high level, 3 levels are there. Coming to the aptitude, depending on your practice level. Okay. Next one. Anyone, or can I start the technical discussion?
Hello, sir.
Please go ahead.
Sir, do they ask questions about competitive programming, DP, graphs like that?
I didn't get that.
Sir, like in like coding round, do they ask questions about competitive programming or dynamic programming, like anything sort of like?
Are you asking like a data structures?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, in the data structures, out of two questions, according to my experience, they will ask the two questions. Out of two questions, one question on compulsory on the linked list, sir. Got it or not? Linked list. They will ask the one questions on the linked list. And randomly, I'm seeing one questions on arrays manipulations and string manipulations. And they will put the focus on time complexity, space complexity. And already we verified, already I checked with the last 5 to 6 years of papers, they will ask the same thing. Don't think too much like a greedy algorithm. Don't think too much like that. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. Any other question, guys?
Sir, in the interview, do they ask us about what is your coding profile? Like, how many problems did you solve in such, some platforms or something like that?
Go to the hacker rank na. Then in the session itself, I hope almost all the students have the hacker rank account. Almost all the students have the hacker rank account here. If you don't have hacker rank account here, if you're the fresher, still just now you started. Then in the session itself, I will tell you how to create a lead code account and a hacker rank account here. Then I will solve few questions in the hacker rank. Then based on that knowledge, you people need to solve on the daily basis. And one more answer I need to tell, that is not the one day practice. Am I right or not? Hacker rank and lead code, don't think like a one day practice kind of thing. Every day you need to solve it. Contain thousands of questions. It contains thousands of questions again. Don't think like in a 1 or 2 days we can solve it. No, daily you people need to do that one. So if you practice on the daily basis, at certain level, your profile seems to be like a good, like a developer one solved the around 1,000 questions. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and don't think like question like that. How many questions you solved in the hacker rank? Don't expect that question here. If they asked, then we can tell. Yes, I recently started the not recently. Already I started the working on the hacker rank. Then I solved the few questions in the hacker rank. Okay, na? And they want to put a pinpoint on the number of questions in the hacker rank level. Okay, na? And
Yes,
one thing in the hacker rank around 4,000 to around 5,000 plus questions are there. Is it possible to solve within 1 month? No, no. It will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time here. Years of time it will take it here. So no need to worry in that area. Next one.
Sir,
Can
are we going to get practice sheets?
uh,
Sir, are we going to get practice sheets for practice?
are you asking like assignment questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For DSA practice.
why not? Tomorrow morning only we will upload. Within Monday we will upload all the assignment questions. Then XLR will upload to your portal itself, your LMS portal. Then on the daily basis you can solve the questions.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Are any other questions, or can I go for the basic questions like how the questions will be there in the logical? Can I go to the list of questions? Common questions. Can I go to the common questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let me go to the some
Yes,
common
sir.
questions. Already I told you,
Hello.
I'm requesting you,
Excuse me, sir.
already I'm requesting all the participants, whoever coming from non-native background, no need to worry. So in the next session onwards, we will start from scratch itself. Got it or not? Don't think like we want to start like a greedy algorithm in the tomorrow session. Okay, slowly. I think we will show the installations also. Like not installation, we will go for the online compilers. We will execute our program on the online compiler. Okay, already told you, company want to put a focus on your coding, like your language. They will put a focus on your coding levels. They want to put the focus on your C, C++, Java, something. They will put the focus on your coding skills, your thinking skills, your abilities of solving the problem. Yes, sir. Yeah, go ahead. Then I need to go for the commonly asked questions in interviews. Someone trying to ask the question.
Sir, I was asking, I am right now studying fundamentals of DSA and Python. So should I start coding on lead code and hacker rank?
It's recommended. It's recommended. It's recommended. It's recommended to start not only you, all the participants. I'm requesting all the participants. So it's recommended to start your practice on hacker rank and lead code. And one more point I will tell you, these practice, then think like maybe what is the right word or wrong word, I don't know. This practice, your lifetime practice, even though if you wanted to switch the company, for example, now you joined in Accenture company, you worked for Accenture around the 2 years or 3 years. You wanted to switch the company, even though if you wanted to switch the company nowadays, almost all the companies, they're asking the questions on the data structures. Without a data structure, we can't crack the interview. Remember that one. So don't think like this training only for the Accenture. No, if you are the software engineer, this training will helpful for lifetime. Even though while switching the companies also, previously around 4 to 5 years back, they will ask the questions on the only subject level, like Java, .NET, PHP, something. Nowadays, while switching the company also, even if you have a 3 plus or 4 plus years of experience, even though if I have around 15 plus years of experience here, while switching the company also, data structures are mandatory nowadays. So my suggestion is that I'm requesting all the people create our hacker rank account, lead code account today itself, then start the practicing on that account. Fine. Next one. Can I go to the commonly asked questions? Commonly,
Yes, sir.
I will give the list here. Teja, MCQs in the sense is it written test or not? Teja, MCQs in the sense it's a written test. Teja, fine. Now say this one. Some important programs. Some important questions. Now see the few questions. Here we have a few questions. First one is the palindrome. Palindrome number. All the participants, do you know what's a palindrome? Palindrome. Can anyone answer? Can anyone answer what is palindrome? If we will reverse any string, original string, both are the same. For example, for example, already some people know, even though not try to listen here. For example, I reverse the I, even though if you reverse the I, there's a same. Say this one, okay. Then that one we can call the palindrome. Can you tell the one more word for the palindrome? Madam. Yes, sir. So that is a palindrome or not? That is a palindrome. Okay. So if we reverse the string, original and reverse the string, both are the same care. Then that concept we can call. Then that concept palindrome care. So I need to discuss palindrome of string and a palindrome of number. Common questions. These are the common questions again. And everyone should know, apart from our syllabus, everyone should know these things also. Fine. Next one. And another thing is the, try to go to the one more commonly asked question. The one more question is the Armstrong number. Armstrong number. Do you people know what is Armstrong number? What is Armstrong number? For example, say this one. 153. Assume here, 153. How many digits we have? Guys, please give the confirmation through the chart. Are you okay with the speed or can I slow down? Are you okay with the speed or can I slow down? My pace is good or can I slow down? Anyone? If anyone feeling like speed, let me know. Because non-IT students are there. Fine. 153. Now let me go to the 153. So here, 153. Now say this one. 1 cube. Like here in the power, you need to press the cube. Otherwise, say this one. Yes, so Chinno, I will increase it. Fine. Now see this one. Here I have the 153. Now try to say this one. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. Guys, is it right? What is 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube? 153 or not? Reply, please reply, guys. 153 or not? So this is the original number now. This is the original number. So 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube also. The answer is the 153. Then this number we can call the palindrome number. Whatever the number we have, then that number we can call palindrome number here. Not only that one, try to see this one. Here I have the 9474. Here I have the 9474. So try to see this one. Try to see this one. 9, 9, 9. Here 4, 4. Next one 7, 7. Next one is the 4, 7, 4. For example, here what is the power? How many digits we have? Respond. How many digits we have? We have the 4 digits now. We have the 4 digits. So 9 power 4. Next one is the 4 power 4. Next one is the 7 power 4. Next one is the 4 power 4. So guys, can you calculate it? Can you please calculate it? Can you please calculate it? So even though if we calculate here, we are getting the 9474. Then these kind of numbers we can call Armstrong numbers, not a palindrome. It's stronger. Not a palindrome here. These numbers we can call Armstrong numbers. These numbers we can call Armstrong numbers. Yes or not? So you people need to tell the 2 points. Don't fill the bore also. You people need to tell. So what is palindrome? If I reverse the either string or number, original equivalent to reversed, then that thing we can call palindrome. Fine. If powers of a number equivalent to original number, then that concept we can call Armstrong number. Fine. Next one. Yes, Pratiksha, right answer. Next one. And one more thing. Yeah, Neha, you need to write the logic. Neha, we should write the logic. Then if time permits for us, then I will explain that logic also. Fine. Next one. One more concept is the prime number. Fine. Guys, do you people know what's a prime number? Do you people know what's a prime number? The number divisible by 1 and itself. The number divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Then that concept we can call prime number. Like a mathematics, like we can say 6th class or 7th class mathematics scale. The number divisible by 1 and itself. Then that concept we can call prime number. Fine. Here in the interview, Anjali, I will reply again here. Anjali, I will repeat again here. What is prime number? The number divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Then that concept we can call prime number. Fine. Anjali, please send the message, then I will give the reply to you. Fine. Next one. Here they will ask the question. Find prime numbers. Find prime numbers up to nth number. Up to nth number here. Up to nth number. Nth in the sense they will ask up to the 100, 200, 300, anything here. So these kind of questions will be there. Fine. Next one. See the another thing here. And here we have the one more question here. And here we have one more question here. Perfect number. And here we have one more question. The question is the perfect number. Anyone knows what is the perfect number? Does anyone knows what is the perfect number? Any idea? Yes. Factors of a number. Sum of factors of a number equivalent to same number. I will repeat it. Don't go for hurry. What is a perfect number? Sum of factors sum of factors. Yeah, sum of factors, Anjali. Sum of factors equivalent to original number. Equivalent to original number, then we can call the perfect number here. Fine. Now I will tell here. I will tell the point here. Anjali, what happened, Anjali? Fine. For example, take the 6. I wanted to take the 6 here. Can you tell the factors of 6? 1. Now say this one. 2, 3. Next one is the 6. Don't consider the same number. I don't want you to consider the same number here. I don't want you to consider the same number here. Don't consider the same number here. So delete the same number. 6, I want you to delete it here. Now, please find the sum here. I need you to find the sum. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what is 1 plus 2 plus 3? 6 or not? 6. Now, the 6 we can call the perfect number. Perfect number. Fine. So, in the session itself, we will discuss what is a perfect number also. Next one. And here we will see find the perfect numbers. Perfect numbers up to nth number. So this concept also we will see here. Next one. After completing this one, then we need to see the one more question, like basic question, not the important here, basic question. Find the even numbers. Find the even numbers or odd numbers. Find the even numbers or odd numbers. Some basic questions will be there. So here we have number of basic level questions are there. So all the basic questions also we will discuss here. Fine. These questions required for all the companies, not only for the Accenture, like a palindrome, Armstrong, prime number, perfect number, even number, odd number, positive number, negative number, and arrays manipulations. These things required for all the companies. Then we have some list of PDF file. See the questions here. We have the list of questions. Like around these 27 questions compulsory for all the people. I can get the assurance to you. Every company asking the same kind of questions. Up to the these like level 1 companies, up to the level 1 companies, the companies will ask the same kind of questions. Repeated questions. Already we listed the repeated questions here. Positive number, negative number, even number, odd number, sum of natural numbers, sum of. I hope maybe question repeated here. Next one. Sum of numbers up to the given range, like highest number with the 2 numbers, highest number with the 3 numbers, whether the given number is the leap year or not. Next one is the prime number or not. Next one is these questions. Around we have the 27 questions here. These are 27 questions are repeated in the number of companies. So I will cover all the 27 questions as part of our training. In this 15 days in this span of time, I'm ready to cover these questions also. Now, remember, these questions not for the Accenture, these questions for all companies, like a basic level questions. Okay, now? Fine. Now, yeah. Guys, raise your questions again. Someone trying to ask the questions again. Anjali, what happened, Anjali? Anjali, are you there now? No. So guys, last 5 to 10 minutes again. You people want to ask any question? Please send the chat message, then I will get the reply. Then tomorrow directly I need to go for the our first agenda, day 1 agenda again. Girish, already I told the answer here. Company never putting focus on your language. Company not concentrating on any language. Company concentrating on your logical skills, your problem solving skills. Girish, I'm saying the same point. Dia Girish, say this one. It's not put the focus on particular language. Okay, so that's why in this coding level, in this Accenture coding level, I will cover 3 to 4 languages. C, I will cover. C++, I will cover. Java, I will cover. Python also, I will cover. Okay, fine. And one more question. Guys, don't ask the repeated questions. Please ask the any questions related to this technical. Victor Babu, your question is the non-IT students minimum skills. So then check it in the class whether you are able to do it or not. Check it. I hope it's not required. Even the non-IT students, you have the minimum knowledge. Like a pseudo course, we will cover here. Pseudo course, we will cover here. So that's why you people need not to worry regarding that. Okay, na? Victor Babu, you people need not to worry about this one. Material extra books should be referred more knowledge. Anam, then we will. Whatever the knowledge is required here, whatever the books are required and whatever the material are required here, XLR will provide complete information to you. Complete materials we will upload to the private server. Fine. The sessions will be recorded. Please ask the technical questions again. Please ask the technical questions. Are any other questions from any participant? Any questions? Are you happy? Give the reply. Pratiksha, we will definitely. Yeah, we will share everything through the LMS portal. Yes, are you happy? Are you expecting any other thing? Slowly, we will start, we will explain all the concepts very slowly because further we will put the focus on the non-IT students also. No need to worry. Give the reply. Sure, definitely. I will cover 1 or 2 papers in the class itself. 1 or 2 Accenture papers I will cover in the class itself. Chandrika, I think to crack it as a fresher level, basic level of knowledge, enough. Chandrika, enough. But my suggestion is to be strong with the DSA. My suggestion is the Faruk, Jaldi, Faruk. Any other questions? If you have the questions, trigger it. Ask the questions, then I'm ready to answer. Be active in the tomorrow session. Directly, we need to go for our written test questions. All the questions will ask in the level 2. Faruk, you can leave it. Faruk, you can leave it. Yeah, we will upload it. What are the logic questions are there? Then we will upload to Drive itself. No need to worry. We will upload. Amar, you can hand over Amar. Amar, are you there?
Yeah, sure. I am there, yes. Okay, so dear students, I already shared the attendance link in the chat box over the Zoom and YouTube. So please mark your attendance and share your valuable feedback about today's session. And similarly, as I mentioned, every day we are looking for your attendance and feedback and active participation from day 1 to day 15. Okay. So I'm sharing that link once again. So anybody miss, please go ahead and mark your attendance. And any question about the LMS, anything about the certification, attendance, or any another query, the rest of technical part, you guys can ask me. Duration of this course will be 30 hours, 15 working days. Working days means weekdays, Monday to Friday. Priyanka is asking, sir, the certificate will be given physical or online. It will be a soft copy. You will receive via registered email ID. But for certification, 60% attendance is mandatory. Registration is done, but what Neha? Timings every day it's going to be run on 7 to 9. So Sai, how to log into the LMS portal, sir? So I thought like you already present to the LMS KT. So anyway, like you can go ahead again once more through the LMS KT, which you will get over the YouTube. So before I used to get the link directly on WhatsApp, but now I'm not getting. Why so, sir? Not required to share the link via WhatsApp, right? Anyway, like you have LMS access, you can join directly. Sir, is the certificate only dependent on attendance? Yes. 60%. So you can calculate using the simple formula of the percentage. How much 60% means? Sakshi, you can calculate on your own. So I don't have LMS access. Shruti, you need to do a registration. Is this course is only for few colleges, depending, or anyone can join? It's open for all, pan-India. Not pan-India, there are few participants from out of India also attending this program. So it's open for all colleges, all students, even faculty members, students, and even those who are currently doing their jobs and they're looking for upgrade themselves to change the job, they also can join the session. Sir, to gain the proper knowledge by your 30-hour session, PC or laptop is mandatory. Yes, so definitely if you are in the field of IT, then you're required to do a practice and coding. So as there is one thing, one sentence, practice makes men's and women's perfect, right? So you need to do a practice, you need to use different course, you need to do on different platform. Then system or else whatever you have, you need to arrange that. Sir, where will write this interview exams? Oh yeah, you will have some assessment questions. I ask about the fields which are not showing in Android mobile about the LMS. No, it's not like that. For Android and for Apple, there is any different field which LMS is showing. It will be visible same for all. Just the way it's showing over the system and mobile, it's be a different. So you can check, scroll down, you will find that. Sir, replay, I have a question. Yes, you can ask me. Sir, I have registered but not received any mail. So those who are registered today morning and after that, you guys will get the LMS access within 24 hours of time span. How many days this program will be conducted? Next 15 days, sir, it's necessary to join in a Zoom or YouTube live is okay. So as per your comfort, as per your network support, you can join over the Zoom and YouTube. We are live at both places. No need to worry. MD Farooq, sir, please wind up the class. Farooq, if you're getting bored, you can leave the session, no problem. Others having questions, let them ask. Okay, sir, exactly what types of questions they will ask? You can, some person will take this question tomorrow. MD Farooq, so, okay, bye-bye, no problem. And, okay, sir, what time? Raju, I'm not getting your question. Can you please repeat? Oh yeah, we'll have assessment. On the last day, we'll have assessment. Oh, yes, sir, I'm very happy. Great. Good to hear. Certificate, how much days will get? Sakshi, if I'm not wrong, you are too much interested towards the certificate. That's good thing. I appreciate that. But before that, knowledge is also important. Okay, so if you have knowledge, definitely you're required to show the certificate as well. But let's focus more on that. You will get the certificate. Don't need to worry. Simply, you need to fill the form for the attendance, and hardly it's taking the 20 to 30 seconds, right? And you will get, if your attendance is more than 60%, relax. You can just focus on the session and keep practicing, okay? Sir, there is any exam to get certificate? So exam will be there, but there is no any dependency, okay? Course name in a website, you will find as a cracking Accenture coding interview. Sir, is the recorded session is available? Yes, you will find it over the YouTube and over the LMS as well. Sakshi, it will take 15 working days after completion of the program. Once you feel it means it's success, yes, Kaushik, right. Sir, is this only explanation takes place or can get to know how to write a code? Now you will get many more things to learn. So we just started with the basics, and you can come back tomorrow, and definitely we'll have an engaging, informative, and we're going to practice as well. It will be not only theoretical session. Thank you for this 30 hours. It helps a lot to the students. You are welcome, Chandrika. Sir, please replay. Priyanka, what is your question? I missed on that. If it's possible, can you please share your question once again? What about marks? Which marks, my friend, you're asking? Sir, please tell me. Too much question in the attendance form. Yeah, Gaurav, you need to feel that. It's not too much, it's necessary. Sir, according to you, what can be gained by this course? So I'm not that much good in the full stack development. So tomorrow you can ask this question to the Samba sir. Okay. Hello, sir, about the certificate. Yeah. So if you're saying to sir, please tell me 5 messages in the single message, so I'm not able to read. So please send your complete message in one go. Then I'm able to answer that, right? Sir, what about LMS portal? How we can access that? Kalyan, at what time you joined the session? Okay, Delson, thank you so much. And I hope you are just going out of the way. No problem. We'll connect with you tomorrow on a call, and then I will give the explanation on that. Yeah, no problem. I will get your email ID and contact details via your joint email ID. Okay. Good night, sir. Thank you. Priyanka, organized by means how many days will have this live session, and what is the exam date? Lucky, so 15 days. On the last day we'll have an examination. Priyanka, you will receive a certificate from XLR itself. What about marks? Assessment marks? Guys, assessment will be on last day. No need to worry about that. Sir, feedback Google form only attendance is calculated. Yes, right. Suprita, it's just for practice purpose. Kalyan Kumar, sorry for that. No problem. Kalyan, you are done with your registration? Thanks for having a very useful session. Thanks a lot, sir. No, Kalyan, you need to do a registration first. And Suprita, yeah, good night. So, guys, if you have any query or question, go ahead and ask. If not, then you can leave for the day, and we'll connect back again on tomorrow. Yes, Kalyan, I shared the registration link with you, so please complete your registration. By tomorrow morning, you will get the LMS access email. Sir, please replay. What is your question? Yeah, Maniraja, I'm not able to find your question. If you share it again, that will be a very grateful thing. The session was the best. Thank you. Yeah, bye. Sir, can you please send the LMS registration link? LMS registration link is nothing but the registration link only. I'm sharing that with you guys. Just a minute. Harsha Kalyan, I shared that once again. Please click on that link. You will find the registration form and fill that. Sir, is it necessary to join in a Zoom or YouTube live is fine? Swara, that's fine. If you are going to be there on YouTube as well, no problem. Sir, I have internal exams in the coming week. Can I just watch the record session whenever it's convenient for me? Also, will I be mark the present if I watch the regular session? No. For that, you need to attend the live session, guys. For the certification, I need to submit the attendance on it. Hi, sir. XLR website, everything is empty. It's not possible. Everything is there. You can just go ahead and check with another system. Whatever the link I shared, it's working fine. I just check on that. Mani Raja. I need to connect here, sure. Okay, guys, I think we're done. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining for the day one of this SDP. And we look forward for your active participation in upcoming and next 14 days too. Once again, thanks a lot. And on this note, we'll close for the day. Take care of yourself, take care of your family,